How's it? Going to try and fix my door handle on the passenger side of my Capella today. See, it sits low there. A little bit crappy. It's also very hard to open the door. Probably taken the trim off, and in there, it's hard to see. Hang on. In there, it's got a really weird, where is it? It's up there. There we go. It's got a black bush on it. I don't think that's right. I'm going to replace it and adjust the door handle. To pop these off, I'm going to try and undo the screws that hold the door handle on first. Okay, after a bit of swearing and whatnot, I got the door handle out. Just had to pry it out with some needle nose pliers. Loosening the door handle made it a bit easier. Got a hex head screw on one side and a standard Phillips on the other. Cool. So I've got a bag of screws. I'll just use I guess. I noticed also there's no gasket on the door handle. I've got another set of door handles and it came with these without the tape. So I photocopied these, or scanned them, photocopied them, whatever, onto a piece of paper, and then made a couple of new gaskets just out of Mylar. Just photocopied, stuck the Mylar onto that, and then just cut the Mylar out the stone knife. Not neat, but it's hidden, and it gives some protection against the body. That's the I don't know what you want to call it, clip, whatever, that was in the car. I think it's not the right one. I got these ones from Phil's Rotaries. I'll give them a crack. So I put the new clip onto the door handle, and I've wound the new pin, which is hiding behind everything. Where are we? There we go. It's in the background there. Just wound it on. I had to clean the thread up a bit. Where are we? Yeah, I had to clean the thread up a bit on it just by running a die around. I had a bit of crap on it. Added the gasket as well. It's not perfect, but better than what it was before, which is nothing. Alright, so the door handle's in. I used new fasteners on both sides this time, look both same. So it's just a matter of adjusting the metal clip up or down, and then clipping it into the white clip, I guess, and just adjusting it till it works nicely. Okay, after much swearing and whatnot, the clips are all in. Just took a little bit to adjust up and down, took a few goes. And now the door handle sits nice, and the door opens pretty bloody good too. Cheers. During the video I forgot to show the reason why the door handle had sunk was because the little rubber stopper had gone. So I made my own, I guess, out of a cable tie. Does the job.